Today, I'm Sir Arnold Medina, your learning facilitator for today.
Our lesson for this week, for the Module 1, Lesson 2, Importance of Labels and Identifying Useful and Harmful Materials.
There are different materials found at home. These are important because they are useful in our daily activities such as cooking tools, cleaning our houses, treating ailments, for personal hygiene, and many more. There is important to know their different properties so that we can identify whether a certain materials is harmful or useful. In this module, you will be able to explain the importance of label in identifying useful and harmful materials.
What I know. This part is composed of 1 to 10 item activity in order to check what you already know about the lesson to take. Classify each household product according to its use. Write letter P for personal care o yung panlinis ng ating mga katawan. Letter F for food product, pagkain. Letter M for medicine o gamot. Letter C for cleaning product o panlinis. And letter PE for pesticides o pamatay ng mga pesteng insekto. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1, bleach. Number 2, canned goods. Number 3, face powder. Number 4, paracetamol. Number 5, shampoo. Number 6, insecticide spray. 7, toothpaste. 8, bread. 9, cough syrup. 10, dishwashing liquid. To have a brief review about our previous lesson, let's try what's in. Open your module on page 2 and answer what's in. Identify the following whether the material is useful or harmful. Write U for useful or H for harmful. Number 1, drain batteries. 2, old newspapers. 3, fruit fillings. 4, shattered glass. 5, expired medicine. For the introduction of our new lesson, here is what's new. Directions. Study the pictures below and match the common product label to its corresponding product. Product label A. Product label A, a triangle with flame inside. Product label B, a hand with chemicals. Product label C, green recycle sign. Product label D, a skull. Product label E, halal. Sa mga product label from A to E, alin kaya sa mga product sa ibaba ang nagtataglay nito? Number 1, plastic bottles. 2, muriatic acid. 3, commercial fertilizer. 4, alcohol. And 5, food products. Write the word true if the statement is correct and write false if wrong. Remember, write only your answer. Do not copy the sentences. Number 1, consumers must read product label when buying grocery items. Dapat daw binabasa ng mga mamimili ang mga label ng kanilang binibili sa groceries. Number 2, place fertilizers in containers and label them as poisonous. Ilagay daw ang fertilizer sa isang lalagyan at lagyan ito ng label na ito ay poisonous. Number 3, throw away plastic bottles after using them. Itapon agad ang mga boteng plastic katapos gamitin. 4. Labels are not important in classifying materials as to useful or harmful. Hindi raw importante ang mga label kung ito ba ay useful o harmful. And last, number 5, Food allergen warnings are helpful for those who have allergies. Various household products are found in our homes. These are composed of different materials with different properties. It is therefore important for the consumer to read product label. Through product label, consumers become aware of whether the product is harmful or useful. Useful materials are those that can be used for other purposes, can be recycled, can be dumped straight into landfill, and something can be recovered from it. Harmful materials, on the other hand, are toxic to us o nakakalason, can cause injury, cannot be dumped straight into landfill, hindi natin pwedeng basta-basta itapon, can pollute the environment, and take too much time to decompose o matagal silang mabubulok. Expiration dates and hazardous signs are some of the most important elements in product label. Some products are flammable such as paint and therefore must be stored away from open flames. Others are corrosive like muriatic acid, so it is advisable to keep away from children's reach. Pesticides, fertilizers, and muriatic acid are poisonous if not handled properly. Reading product labels can help you identify whether the product is useful or harmful. These simple symbols in labels give ideas on how to use and store the product properly, and in order to help prevent accidents from happening and therefore save lives. The next pictures are common signs in product label which can help consumers decide whether the product is useful or harmful. Tandaan, napaka-importante na lagi natin titingnan ang mga product label ng binibili natin. Ang product label ay matatagpuan sa ibabang bahagi sa likod ng mga produkto. Makikita natin dito ang mga impormasyon ng produktong ito. At importante din na tingnan natin ang expiration date ng mga product na ating binibili. Here are some symbols or labels, meaning and examples of products. First symbol, halal, meaning product is certified as safe for consumptions. For Muslims, ang halal ay isang katagang Arabe na nangangahulugang mabuti o pinapahintulot. Kung ito ay tumutukoy sa pagkain, ito ay pamantayan ng pagkain ayon sa pinag-uutos ng Quran. Kabaliktaran naman ito ng haram. Ang haram ay masama o pinagbabawal. Halimbawa ng pagkain na ito ay ang coco jam. Para sa mga kapatid nating Muslims na o Islam, mahalaga ang label na ito para sa kanilang mga pagkain dahil hindi sila maaaring kumain ng pagkain na hindi halal. Common symbols of food products, meaning food allergen warning warns consumers of ingredients in the product that may cause allergens. For example, kakawetes, soya, lactose, yung mga mani, soya, o yung mga lactose gatas, ito ay maaaring makapagpasakit ng tiyan ng mga bata, makapagpatae, o magkaroon ng mga diarrhea, o di naman kaya ay constipation para sa mga bata makakakain ng mga may ingredients na katulad nito. Halimbawa pa, sulfitos, ito naman ay maaaring magkaroon ng o makakos ng hika. Altramuses at molluscos, ito naman ay mga maaaring magpagkaroon ng katikati sa katawan kapag nakakain ito yung mga taong may allergy. Symbol number 3. Recycle symbol, meaning recyclable products can be recycled. Ito yung mga product na pwede nating i-recycle. Pag nakakita tayo ng ganitong symbol, ibig sabihin, ang lalagyan ay ni-recycle o pwede nating i-recycle. Symbol number 4, a triangle with a flame, meaning flammable, can easily catch fire o madali itong magliliyab, kagaya ng kerosene o gas. Symbol number 5, a skull with X bones, meaning poisonous, harmful to our body. may cause death. Maaaring mamatay ang sino man makakalanghap o makakakain ng mga product na may ganitong symbol. Product symbol number 6, a triangle with hand and a chemicals. Meaning, corrosive can cause severe burns. Corrosive, ibig sabihin, maaaring makalapnos, makasugat, o makasira ng ating balat. Halimbawa nito yung mga asido, muriatic acid, at panlinis ng silver. Ito ay maaari ding makalason o maging poisonous kapag nainom ng tao. Narito ang common product na makikita natin sa ating mga bahay. Tingnan natin ang mga product labels nila. Una ay itong power bank. As you can see, meron itong mga label na ayan, do not dispose, yung huling-huling parts. Ito, na huwag itatapon basta-basta, flammable, maaaring magsindi, o maaaring sumabog ito. Yan ang mga mapanganib na mga label na meron itong power bank na ito. Kapag tinapon mo ito basta-basta, maaari ito sumabog. Another one is this Nivea whitening powder deodorant. At pag tingnan natin ang label niya sa ilalim, ayan, may sign ng apoy. Ito ay flammable. Ibig sabihin, maaari siyang magsindi pag mula ng apoy, magliyab kapag nalapit siya sa apoy. Another example, itong Baygon na ito, meron din siyang symbol na apoy. And recycled. Ibig sabihin, itong lalagyan na ito, maaaring na-recycle ito o galing sa recycled materials. Another example ay itong spray paint. Tingnan natin ang label sa likod. O flammable, maaaring magliyab. At saka yung another example, yung pangalawa, maaari itong mag-cause ng sakit sa baga o yung mga hika o kaya ay magkaroon ng iba pang sakit na sa pulmon. And the last one is mapanganib sa ating environment. Maaaring makamatay ng mga isda at iba pang living organism. Another example, the last one, this Del Monte Mr. Drink. Tingnan natin ang kanyang label. Siya ay halal. Ayan. Halal. Ibig sabihin, ito ay pwedeng inumin ng mga kapatid nating Muslim. Maliban sa halal, meron din itong recycled, ayan, na symbol at makikita rin natin ang expiration date. Ito ay June 17, 2021 ang kanyang expiration date. Narito pa ang ibang product na mayroong labels din. Halimbawa, itong sunscreen gel cream na ito, brilliant, meron pala siya SPF 30. Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang ginagamit siya para hindi ka masunog ng araw. At meron din siya nakalagay na paraben free. Ibig sabihin ng paraben free, wala siyang paraben kasi ang paraben ay nakaka-cancer. Kadalasan makikita to sa mga beauty product yung paraben, pero ito pala ay wala. Next example, this one, brightening facial wash. Kung mapapansin ninyo, meron siya nakalagay na animals cruelty free. Ibig sabihin ng cruelty free, hindi ito tinest sa mga animals, hindi ito sinubukan sapagkat hindi na kailangan itest sa animals kasi ang mga ingredients nito ay maaaring mild lamang o hindi ito makakasama sa mga hayop. Kasi ibang product, tinetest muna sa hayop bago sa tao para malaman kung meron itong mga harmful effects. At ang halal pala ay hindi lang pang pagkain. Meron din ito sa mga ibang product kagaya nito. Halal. Siya ay halal. Siya ay beauty product na ginagamit. Ibig sabihin, pwede rin siya ay hindi haram o hindi siya masama. Siya kasi ay isang halal product. At marami pang iba.
Ang halal label ay pwede rin sa mga hindi Muslim kagaya natin.
The different materials found in word pool below as useful or harmful. Use following table as guide and answer the follow-up questions. Ilalagay nyo daw yung mga word na nasa word pool, nasa gawing gitna, doon sa kanilang dapat paglagyan kung ito ba ay useful or harmful materials. Explain how you classify the materials in column 2 as harmful product. Ipaliwanag mo daw kung bakit mo nasabi ang mga product na nilagay mo sa harmful materials ay harmful o nakakasama. Bakit kaya? Ipaliwanag mo ito. And why it is important to read labels. Bakit daw importante na basahin natin ang mga label ng mga product o produkto na ating binibili. Open your module on page 6. Copy and complete the table below. Identify whether the household materials is useful or harmful. Check nyo lang kung ito ba ay harmful o kaya ay useful. Then, determine the product label that would help you identify the category. The first one is done for you. Pagkatapos yung lagyan ng check, lalagay nyo naman kung anong product label meron ito sa ating napag-aralan. Ito ba ay corrosive, poisonous? Ito ba ay flammable? Ito ba ay recyclable materials? To process what you have learned in this lesson, answer what I have learned. Question number 1. How do you classify the materials at home? Paano mo daw inuri ang mga materials na makikita mo sa bahay? What is your basis in grouping the different materials? Ano daw ang naging basihan mo sa paggugrupo ng mga materials na meron kayo sa inyong bahay? And last, are the product labels important? Importante ba ang mga product label? Why? Bakit? What do you think will happen to us if we will not read the product labels? Ano kaya mangyayari sa atin kung hindi tayo nagbabasa ng mga product labels? What harm can it bring to us? Ano kaya ang masama o di magandang mangyayari sa atin kapag hindi tayo nagbabasa ng mga product labels? Assessment letter A. Put a check mark if the statement is correct and X mark if not. Susulat daw ang X na sagot kung tama ang statement at X lang ang isusulat kung mali naman ang statement. Number 1. Halal certified food can be consumed by Muslims. 2. Keep pesticides in areas away from children's reach. 3. All household materials are useful. 4. Muriatic acid can be labeled as corrosive and poisonous. And last, number 5. Recyclable materials such as empty mineral bottles are harmful. Assessment letter B. Read each situation below and choose the best answer. Write the letter only. Letter lang po ang ating isasagot. You can pause the video to have enough time to answer the activity. Open your module on page 8 for the additional activities. Visit your kitchen and list down 10 household materials. Read each product labels and classify the materials as useful or harmful using the table below. The first one is done for you. Expired medicine. Harmful.